Okay, we're going to show you how to make money on Ratchet and Clank-size matters. What you must do is complete the game at least once. This is why. You have to get Showdown. Once you get it, hit the guy, press pause, do restart, press OK. Keep doing this. Kinda seems pointless, but it does something. Watch. Look at the times. Times 7. Keep doing this until you get times 13. I'll just pause it now. Alright, as you can see I got times 12. It's not really that clear, but oh well. But anyway, after you get times 12, you have to go over here. You need the polarizer. Yeah, and you open this place up. You just hold circle around here. But anyway, you have to get to the end, which I haven't done. So, alright, yeah, you go for the portal. It should be here, like next to your ship. Right here. But anyway. Alright, what you do is smash up all these boxes. And you get 400,000 bolts. Yeah, and then this is the stuff you can do. You can either just save it and then load it back again to come back on this world, or you can just switch to another planet and then come back again. Either way. So yeah, that's how you make money. Fast. My God, they go production.